Hello, I'm Selman Lafçı. At the company that I founded, Mansel Bilişim, we have developed an AI-powered OCR platform called Mansel Vision that recognizes Turkish handwriting. Millions of handwritten documents in Turkey are still not digitized. We aim to convert them quickly and accurately. Mansel Vision targets 95% accuracy. Our model is trained on real handwritten data. We use Azure's GPU-powered infrastructure to run our OCR models efficiently and quickly. We will be migrating more services to Azure in order to boost data handling and system performance. Our MVP works well, 90% accuracy on digital text and 70% on handwriting. Agito showed official interest. In addition, we are in talks with Turkish Airlines and AGESA. Demos were already shared during BStars. Our purpose to improve our model to boost API performance and to provide multi-language support with Azure credits. We thank Microsoft for their support. Mansell Vision will accelerate digital transformation. Feel free to contact with us for more information. Thank you.